In this lecture, we'll study the another application of op-amp, that is op-amp as non-inverting amplifier. In last lecture, we studied op-amp as an inverting amplifier. We know that in op-amp, we have two terminals. This is known as inverting terminal V1 and this is known as non-inverting terminal V2. If the input voltage is given to non-inverting terminal of op-amp, it is said to be non-inverting amplifier. Here the input voltage Vi is connected to non-inverting terminal and the inverting terminal is connected to ground through resistor R1. We'll assume that the current through this path is I1 and current through this path is IF. We know that in operational amplifier there is a resistor internally between these two terminals. That resistor is known as input impedance or Ri, which is infinity. So no current flows at inverting terminal of op-amp. The current which flows at R1, the same current will follow the IF. And here the input voltage Vi is given to non-inverting terminal of the op-amp. We know that due to virtual ground concept, the inverting and non-inverting terminal of the op-amp are at same potential. Therefore, we can say V1 is equal to V2. Let's analyze this circuit. So V1 is equal to V2 because of virtual ground concept. That is V1 and V2 are at same potential. Now here we can observe that the non-inverting terminal V2 is connected to Vi. Therefore, I can say V2 is equal to Vi. We'll call this as equation number 1 and we'll call it as equation number 2. And here we can observe that current I1 is same as current IF. That is I1 is equal to IF. Let's express the currents in terms of voltages. So here the current I1 is, look at the direction of current I1 which is moving from 0 towards V1. So I can write it as I1 is equal to 0 minus V1 divided by resistor R1. Similarly, current IF is flowing from V1 towards VO. That is, we know that current is equal to voltage by resistor. Therefore, here the current is moving between two voltages. So we are supposed to consider potential difference between these two voltages divided by resistor. So starting point of the current is V1. So we are supposed to write it as V1 minus VO divided by RF. And here we know that V1 is also equal to V2. Therefore, I will replace this V1 by V2 as well this V1 by V2. I can write it as minus V2 by R1 is equal to V2 minus VO divided by RF. So now we also know that from equation 2, V2 is nothing but the input voltage Vi. Now I will replace V2 by input voltage Vi. That is minus Vi divided by R1 is equal to Vi minus VO divided by RF. So now I'll simplify this. I'll take VO by RF on left hand side and Vi by R1 I will write it on right hand side. So the minus term will become plus. I can write it as VO by RF is equal to Vi by RF. I'll take this on right hand side. It will be plus Vi by R1. So therefore now I can simplify. VO by RF is equal to Vi in bracket RF plus 1 by R1 So I can simplify this further as VO by RF is equal to VI. I'll take the LCM here. The LCM will be R1 RF and the numerator will be R1 plus RF. So further I'll simplify this as, I can write it as VO is equal to VI into RF. I'll take this RF out of the bracket. I can write it as RF in bracket R1 plus RF divided by R1. So I can further simplify this as VO is equal to RF will get cancelled. VI in bracket R1 divided by 1, R1 is 1 plus RF by R1. So therefore the output voltage VO is equal to VI multiplied with 1 plus RF by R1. Here the term 1 plus RF by R1 is known as gain of non-inverting amplifier, which is represented as AF. Therefore I can write it as VO is equal to VI into AF, where therefore AF is equal to closed loop voltage gain which is therefore AF will be equal to 1 plus RF by R1. So here we can observe that the output voltage is equal to plus VI into the closed loop voltage gain AF. There is no phase inversion as it is plus sign. Therefore in non-inverting amplifier, suppose if we give the input as like this, it produces the output which is in same phase but it is amplified version. Thus this is the derivation for output expression in case of non-inverting amplifier, that is output voltage is equal to gain AF times the input voltage VI. Because of this gain factor, the output voltage is amplified version of the input voltage, and here the closed loop voltage gain is AF, which is equal to 1 plus RF by R1. Thank you for watching.